The BJP is demanding Atishi's resignation. This is the breaking input that we're receiving at this point. The Delhi BJP is saying suspend all government officials in connection with this incident that's taken place in Delhi's Old Rajendra Nagar, where 3 have lost their lives. Now, this is the latest in connection with the political aspect of what's taking place, the response rather. Earlier, in fact, today we had spoken with a representative from the BJP, that was Ms. Anila Singh, who was also pointing out the shocking lapses and the situation in the capital which has led to this. Now, it has escalated from the BJP side. They are demanding Delhi Minister Atishi's resignation in connection with this mishap. They're saying beyond Atishi, all government officials need to be suspended. This incident took place yesterday. 3 students died after a UPSC coaching center had gotten flooded in the basement. There are multiple lapses that are being pointed out by students who are protesting. In fact, earlier we received reporter inputs from our colleagues on the ground, Isha and Kritika, who are tracking the developments in this case. Now, they have been able to speak to the protesting students who are demanding justice and accountability, saying that this is something that should not and never have happened. But the Delhi BJP is now escalating their protest against the Aam Aadmi Party-led government. Now, when it comes to the Aam Aadmi Party government, on their side, they have ordered a magisterial probe. In fact, there was also a statement made by Shelley Oberoi, the Delhi mayor, saying that, and this was in response to our Times Network reporter Priyank, who had asked her about the waterlogging and why exactly it had not been fixed. To that, she responded saying that there's been waterlogging in this area for 40 years.
राजेंद्र नगर में जो कल हुआ, ये हादसा नहीं, हत्या है। देश के युवा दिल्ली में आते हैं अपना भविष्य बनाने, लेकिन भ्रष्टाचार की भेंट चढ़ गए। कोई जवाब देने को तैयार नहीं है। और दिल्ली की मंत्री कितने घंटे हो गए इस हादसे को हुए, अब तक हिम्मत नहीं जुटा पा रही है वहां जाने की, और कहती हैं जांच करेंगी। क्या जांच करेंगी आप? आपको तो तुरंत इस्तीफा देना चाहिए।